Yes, hello and welcome back on this channel. So today we are back with an exciting tutorial. In today's video we are gonna share with you a new VPN app that will help you to secure your connection at the expiry of security when you are using the internet. So the app is already on Google Play Store. Simply head over to Google Play Store, and when you reach on Google Play Store you'll be required to search for this app. So the app is called Nitro VPN. So you search for that, and among the presented you pick this one, Nitro VPN. This app is already on Google Play Store. It will help you to secure your connection and extra protection when you are online. And please use VPNs responsibly and follow your local laws so that you don't violate them. And also, whenever you use a VPN app, make sure to read its terms and conditions so that you don't violate them. Also, to set up the app, you are required to open it. After installing it, you open the app. It will take you to its home screen where the setup begins. So this app is called Nitro VPN. This app will help you to secure your connection at the expiry of security when you are online. And after that, after reaching the app home screen, tap on the three lines, then click Update Resources. Give this app a few seconds for it to update the available resources so that it can provide you with the best service when you are using it. And after that, you're required to pick your country name. So tap here, pick your country name. For example, Nigeria. In case you are from Nigeria, pick your country name, Nigeria. Then you proceed. If you are not from Nigeria, you can tap here, then you pick your country name. After picking your country name, the app will establish a connection in the selected country. So make sure to pick your country name. After that, you're required to add on time. So the app keep running out of time. Make sure to utilize this button of add time, and the app will stay connected for a long session. So, and to initiate a secure connection and a fast connection when you are using Nitro VPN, you are required to tap on this start button. So when you tap on the start button, the app will be connected, and your connection will be secured. So that's how we set up Nitro VPN with your country settings to get a fast and a secure connection. Please like, share, subscribe on this channel, comment in the comment section, and let's meet again.